here comes the guide and his girlfriend, who's coming along for the float. It's kind of hard to say no, but let's see how this goes. Allegedly, she's not going to fish. Of course, I had to help him put the raft in the water. It's too heavy for the guide. All right, here they come. I'm going to turn this sucker off.
You don't want to fish up there?
So we're going to fish downstream of the beaver lodge?
Yeah, right along that bank.
Okay.
And then along that whole bank. Past it.
There we go.
Got one?
Yep.
Nice.
Come here, grayling. Oh, beautiful colors.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
I can't take this. Oh my gosh.
You have a net? Oh, let me see, it's my first grayling. I am absolutely excited. So you're going to go back home.
Oh my gosh.
I can get him with the forceps.
But yeah, I think that's better. Yeah. Yeah.
Freaking gorgeous.
All right,
Awesome.
we're on the leaderboard now.
That was
No, when he put his dorsal sail up, that was just awesome. That was like the money shot.
Yeah, that's the money shot for sure.
Yeah. I mean, that's what you want to see on an Arctic grayling.
Yeah, that's the classic.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes.
That's about 14 inches.
14 inches.
It was a nice representation. Had a couple little beavers. Unbelievable.
Oh, we got it. Yeah, it's a nice shot up here of the beaver dam.
You know, I mean, they've done a lot of work to that. That's a lot of new sticks in there.
That's
It wasn't that high last year.
Yeah, look how high the water. I mean, it's what?
know,
That's
really got it
5
down
feet high, I would say. That beaver dam. Well, let's see if we can coax a fish out of this, the tailwater of the beaver dam. Yep, you got to be busy like a beaver to build that. Oh, I see something right in front of the boat. It was a fish that rised. Yeah.
Ooh, got him.
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, now we're talking.
There he goes. He's trying to get into the wood. Look how beautiful he is. Oh my God.
That's another nice one.
Yeah.
That's a nice
And he has his,
Look at the fin.
yeah.
That's a beautiful fin on that.
Hey Joe, do me a favor, grab this, I can't, I took it out and it's on, so you can just point and.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. I'm playing with him now, but he's absolutely beautiful. I'm enjoying watching him swim. And that the tail and the dorsal sail is like iridescent. Let's get him in the boat.
He's a lot bigger than the other one.
Here, we're gonna go back in the water in a moment, baby. I trust you.
This thing must have gone off.
No, just touch the back of the screen. It should, yeah, there you go. Okay, yeah. Look at you. You're beautiful. You have beautiful colors in a sail.
You getting some pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now we're gonna take the hook out and put you back in.
Give him a kiss.
Yeah.
Okay, you got some still shots?
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Oh,
If I could get underwater video of releasing him if you want, yeah. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. There's another Arctic Grayling. Oh wow, there's like 4 here. He's swimming with his buddies.
Oh, that's another nice one. Wow.
Yeah, look at those colors. All right, let's get into the boat. This baby was sight casted. Yeah, I'll just take pictures of you holding him, and we'll get him in the water. All right, beautiful.
How do you
Beautiful.
get him to bring his fin up?
Yeah, turn around so Stephanie get a picture of you there. There we go. All right, stopped at another gravel bar. Gonna fish off this point a little bit. We caught 4 out of 5 grayling that we hooked. So pretty stoked about that. And let's see if we can get anybody, see if anybody's home along this edge of the current here, this gravel bar. While the fly line floats out there with a dry fly, you can just see how amazing this scenery here is. Just so beautiful and peaceful. And that, yeah, so we're gonna, I think we probably have a half hour, 45 minutes remaining on today's trip. And then after that, I think I'm gonna head back to Fairbanks and get a bite to eat. Rest up for tonight's festivities, the midnight summer festival for the solstice. So that should be cool. Meantime, I'm going to cherish every moment on this beautiful river.